So I guess Uber Eats must have called Doordash. Doordash must have had Uber Eats on the phone and said, you know what, we got to get this guy going, man, because he's letting people out here know the types of bad orders we send in. If you don't play by our rules, we don't want to pay minimum wage. We don't want to pay minimum pay. We suing New York. This is what they did to me, y'all. Look.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Boom. Your account has been deactivated.
Come on now, dog.
That is not a screenshot. That is real.
Come on, man.
You can see it right there. Hold on. Boom. Your account has been deactivated.
Holy Jesus. What is that?
Nice. Thank you, Uber Eats. So now I'm deactivated on DoorDash and I'm deactivated on Uber Eats. Check this out. Now, how did this happen? How did we get here? What is the reason for all of this, right? Well, that's what I want to know too, because I was just good on Uber Eats. As you can see right here, I was making money with them. Well, actually, no, look, I ain't making no money with them last week because they actually been pretty much trash lately. But let me show you this right here. July 17th. Okay, so I didn't do no orders with them for a whole week, and then they said they're gonna deactivate me, basically.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Check this out. So as you can see, I made $171 with them this week right here. And then boom, you go over to the next week, I ain't make nothing with them. You see it. And then this the week we in right here. So I guess since I ain't do no work with them, they say they gonna deactivate me. Or is it because of the content that I put out on the channel? Well, I'm not sure which one it is, but the one thing I do know, these food delivery companies is basically like, look, if you showing screenshots of the bad offers that we send you on your channel, we deactivating you. That's basically what they saying right here, because look, I didn't have this same Uber Eats account the whole time, never confronted no customers on Uber Eats. But you know what? None of that matter. The only thing that matter is they could sit up there and say that I violated the terms by showing screenshots. They can say that. We all know this. So if it's any content creators out there that's showing full screenshots of the map, I advise you to stop doing that right now.
That's all right.
Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boys. If you're gonna show screenshots of the orders, just show the order part. Don't show any part of the map.
Really, nigga?
Because that's the only thing that I can think of that Uber Eats would have, you know, the reason that they would deactivate this account right here.
My time has come.
Right, you know what I'm saying? Based off of that, because look, as you can see, your account has been deactivated. Boom. Your account has been deactivated, so you are no longer eligible to drive with Uber Eats. Me, I don't give a damn. Look, I haven't even been doing that much Uber anyways. I'll show you again. This is this week right here. No money made with them. I click on the week by week, and when I click on the week by week, you can see I made no money with them this week. I made no money with them last week, and then the week before that, I made $171 with them, which is, hey, that's 171 bucks. I'm not finna discount that. That's real money. But guess what?
I'm the first nigga to do all type of shit.
How many hours did I put into that 171 bucks? Well, it says right here that I did 27 hours. And I know good and goddamn well I ain't worked 27 straight hours. Yeah, I might have had the app on for 27 hours. But let's talk about that for a second. Because if that mean I turned this app on, that mean I was in my car or heading to the car or in a position where I was ready to do some orders. And you telling me in 27, that's a part-time job. That's a whole part-time job. 27 hours in 52 minutes, 20 trips. So you telling me over the course of a whole week, okay, because I had to have had this thing on for 7 days. 7 days, you telling me I was only able to squeeze out 20 trips in 7 days? That's less than 3 trips per day. That's 3 trips per day with one day where I did 2 trips. Uber Eats is trash. Am I mad that they deactivated me? Hell no. You can see I ain't even made no money with them since July 4th. And that's probably because of the little busyness of July 4th weekend. Like Uber Eats been trash in my market, but for them to deactivate me is appalling. And you know what? I'm really upset because I've been nothing but a great advocate for Uber Eats if you really think about it. I've been showing them that, look, they need to up the pay on these orders because $3 for 8 miles and a package delivery for $4 going 20 miles or any one of them crazy old orders we be seeing on Uber Eats, that's not gonna fly. And you know what else ain't gonna fly? I guess Dash and Trader doing Uber Eats because look at that. they say, boom, you are deactivated. So this is crazy right here. That's 2 deactivations in 2 days. I don't know nobody out there who done got deactivated more than me in this short amount of time, because what you gotta realize is I only been dashing for like a year and a half. How I get all these? Okay, all my Doordash deactivations, I can understand that. But how am I sitting here with an Uber Eats deactivation? Well, you know, I want to be surprised, but I know what it's from. It's from the channel. And you know what? If that's the cost of me showing you guys these trash orders that they try to pass off as good orders and, oh, you can do 3 of them an hour. Who is doing $3, $4 orders per hour? Who's doing that? Because if you out there doing $3, $4 orders per hour, I'm sorry for you, okay? You need to at least be doing a couple $10 orders or finding something else to do, because I can't have you out there doing $3 orders, driving 4, 5 miles on each order. That's crazy. So if this the price that I gotta pay for showing y'all the horrible orders, I'll pay that price. And you know what? I ain't even tripping off of it, because I done said it once and I'll say it again. I don't plan on doing food delivery forever. Okay? I don't. So if you thought I did, I'm sorry to tell you, I do not. But what I do plan to do is keep on moving forward every day. That's what I plan to do. I ain't even had no plans to turn on Uber Eats. I just wanted to turn it on. I popped the app on to see if it needed any updates. Cause you know, from time to time, it's like, oh, you need to update your app. And I always felt like if I didn't update it, I wouldn't see no orders. But honestly, it didn't make no difference. Even with all the updates, I still got $3 orders, okay? $3 orders, $2 orders. They lowered the base pay to $1.66 in New York. You know, Uber and Doordash sued New York City because they don't want to pay that minimum pay, because they know the customer's cheap and they know they can't make no money unless they lie to the drivers basically and try to trick them, which is horrible because they can't deliver these orders themselves. This is what you got to realize. So look, to all my dashers out there, all my FDA family, everybody who rocking with me, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button on this video right here. Let's get to 10,000 views, man, because I want everybody out there to see that these apps, they don't care about you. They don't. Because only thing they do is try to manipulate you and to trick you into taking offers that's not good for you. That's all they do. And when I say these apps, I'm really just talking about the food delivery apps, DoorDash and Uber, because Grubhub don't really do it this bad. They really don't. I can't get on Grubhub down here in this area yet, but when I do, I'll let you guys know about it. But the same, like, did I confront any no-tip customers on Uber or Grubhub? Nope. But I'm still subject to being deactivated by showing full screenshots of the orders that I'm completing. You know what I'm saying? And really, I think it's not really so much about the screenshots, because here's what you got to realize. It's lots of content creators out there that, you know, shows full screenshots of orders on DoorDash and Uber and Grubhub. They do it all the time. But how are they representing the companies in their video? This is the part where the difference comes in. Because if you have me talking good about DoorDash orders, talking about I'm trying out earn by time and I'm trying out this, and maybe I'll do a challenge to raise my acceptance rate, or I'm accepting every order. When I'm talking about those kinds of things, they don't care if I'm showing full screenshots. They don't care if you get a contract violation. They don't care about a whole bunch of stuff. But once you start telling them that, oh, these orders is trash and these customers is lame and don't pick up their food and you might not get it, and if you do get it, it might be cold. Once you start saying that stuff, they don't like that. And I don't blame them. They out here to make money. And if the way they make money is by tricking you, then that means that somebody who's trying to help you and inform you about what's going on, that's their enemy. And if I have to be an enemy of the gig, you know, the gig companies, was so be it, because what you got to realize is they got too many friends already. They already got people lobbying for them, making sure that they don't have to pay drivers the minimum pay. They got people lobbying for them up at the Super Bowl and up at Washington, D.C., trying to make sure certain legislation getting passed. They got money for $1 million ads. They got money to, you know, give people $10,000 who've been on the platform since day one. And we know it ain't too many of them, because if you didn't survive all the way since day one on DoorDash without getting deactivated, without losing your account, you deserve more than $10,000. Stop playing with me. So when we get around all these things that they willing to spend money on, then you look at what they willing to manipulate on to not spend no money, you will really see that these apps don't care about you. They never did, they never will. And here's the flip side. They don't give a damn about the customer either, okay? They don't care about you or the customer. All they care about is that order that they placed and that you need to deliver, because if you don't, it's on you. They already made their money. The customer's not getting a refund. You get a credit. And where that credit come from? It's coming from the merchant who they done swindled to get 10% out of every order. So when you get that credit, it's not coming out of Doordash pocket. It's not coming out of Uber pocket. It's coming out of that merchant pocket who got that messed up a contract agreement with these food delivery companies that basically took over their dang restaurant or their dang place of business because they, had to partner with them to survive during the pandemic. These are the things that's happening right now. So yes, FDA Dash and Trader is deactivated 2 days in a row. Uber Eats and DoorDash. No more food delivery for me. If you want food from me, you better order it through Walmart because that's the only place I can work for until they get me on nerve. If they get me on nerve, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. But you know what? It's all good though, because look, this all right here is a small portion of the YouTube community, okay? We are beginning to branch out to a bigger section of the community. We're gonna be doing bigger and better things. So if I gotta stop delivering food, hey, 2023 just might be the year where I'm done delivering food. And if that's how it's gonna be, that's how it's gonna be. But hey, don't never let the powers that be hold you down. If I really want to, I can be back out here delivering food, giving y'all more information. But what I'm saying is, I wanna show you how that you can get it no matter what, okay? So look, don't let this get you down, don't let you get this discouraged. I'm still bringing y'all videos every single day, okay? I had 5 or 6 different things that I wanted to talk about today, but I seen this, and of course, this is top of the mind now. This is most important. But it's still gonna be things the trader can talk to you about and give you information about and react about, right? And have thoughts and opinions about that's happening within the gig economy, in the gig community. But ride-alongs, I'm gonna do a ride-along if I ain't delivering no food. I'm gonna have to give away my Amazon delivery bag now because I don't even need it if I ain't doing no food delivery. That's a hot and cold bag. I might have to give away the DoorDash bags too because I don't need them. I don't need them no more. But check this out. What we is gonna do is we still gonna do that giveaway once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So you wanna make sure you hit that live screen for a chance to win. And go ahead, share it, like it, whatever you got to do, but you wanna make sure that you in there because I wanna give back to the community. That $177 that I made with Uber, you know what I'm saying? That ain't finna make or break me. That $250 that I made with DoorDash a week ago, that shit's gone. That's one bill. You feel what I'm saying? So look, stay safe, stay motivated out there, stay positive when you can. And bitch a little bit when you can too. Go ahead, complain a little bit about it. But look, make sure you stay moving forward at the end of the day. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.
Man, stop playing with me. What?